Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the chapter number 4, that is parts and wholes. Now, rupees and paise. First of all, you will tell me what is the symbol of Indian rupees. Yes, do you know this? How to write the symbol of Indian rupees? Let me tell you. First off, write R. Okay, then you will take cross. This is the symbol of Indian rupees. You can make it easily. How many 50 paise will make 1 rupee? Is 50 paise half of 1 rupees? So here is the question related to rupees and paise. First of all, you know about rupees and paise. So 1 rupees makes 100 paise. You have to know this. 1 rupees will make 100 paise. Here is the question. How many 50 paise will make 1 rupee? This is the coin of 50 paise and will make a 1 rupee. So you can easily write that 250 paise makes 1 rupee. 250 paise makes 1 rupee. Because when you will add this 250 paise, 50 paise plus 50 paise is equals to 100 paise. You will get 100 paise and 100 paise makes 1 rupee. How many 25 paise will make 1 rupees? For that, what will you do this? In the first question also and the second, we have to divide 100 paise. 25 paise, 100 divided by 25. 25 4 ja 100. So you will get 4. 25 4 ja 100. It is 4 times, means 4 coins of 25 paise will make 1 rupees. You can find that how many 50 paise, so you have to divide it. You will write 100 divided by 50, 52 ja 100. Okay, so you are getting 2 coins of 50 paise. 25 paise is dash part of 1 rupees. So we found that if we will add 4 times 25 paise, so we are getting 1 rupees. So we can write that 25 paise is 1/4 part of 1 rupees. 25 paise is 1/4 part of 1 rupees. 20 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. Here we will add 5 times 20 paise, so we are getting 1 rupee. So we can write that 20 paise is 1/5 part of 1 rupee. 20 paise is 1/5 part of 1 rupee. How many 10 paise will make 1 rupee? So 10 paise is dash part of 1 rupee. Here we will add 10 times 10 paise. So we are getting 1 rupee. So we can write that 10 paise is 1/10 part of 1 rupee. 10 paise is 1/10 part of 1 rupee. Now Arun's timetable. Sleeping 1/3 of a day means here you have to find 1/3. 1 day makes how many hours? So you all know 1 day makes 24 hours. So 1/3. Here you have to find 1/3 of 24. 1 upon 3 multiplied 24. 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24. So you will get 8. So sleeping is here. Means 8 hours is the timing of sleeping, and that is colored. Use different colors to show. We will use it. Playing 1/8 of a day. Here you have to find the solution. 1 upon 8 multiplied 24. 8 1 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. It is 3 hours. 1 day 24 hours. 8 1 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24 is equals to 3. She is getting 3 hours. You can color in blue. Studying 1/4 of a day. So you can find here 1 upon 4 multiplied 24. 4 1 ja 4. 4 6 ja 24 is equals to 6. So 6 hour you can color it. First you can note this all, that 3 hours is playing time and 6 hours is studying time. Now you have to color it all. Playing was 3 hours and studying was 6 hours and sleeping was 8 hours. So playing hours you have to color blue. Here sleeping is already colored. Playing blue color. 3. 1, 2 and 3. 3 hours. Color the 3 hour. Color the 3 boxes. And studying green color. 6 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So color the 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 boxes. In this way you can color. Okay. Now how many colors remaining? So count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 hours is remaining. This is the whole 24 hours time, and this is divided in sleeping, studying and playing. Now what part of the day does he use for other activities? Answer: 7 hours for other activities. Now, school magazine. A school has decided to bring out a magazine every quarter of the year. You know that 1 year is equals to 12 months. Means what will you quarter of 12? Quarter means 1/4. So 1/4 multiplied 12. 4 1 ja 4. 4 3 ja 12. It means 3 months. Every 3 months is the quarter of a year. How many magazines will they have in a year? Yes, it is very simple. 1 year has 4 quarters. It means 4 magazines will be out in a 1 year. If they want to print it at the end, of each quarter of a year, which are the months for printing. Mark the number for those months. So we have already discussed that every third month will be its quarter. So first here you can see the 1 to 12 numbers written for 12 months. So one number for January, 2nd, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So we have to mark that 1/4 month. So third and sixth and ninth and 12th. 3 is stand for March. 6 is stand for June. 9 is stand for September. And 12 is stand for December. Now, Sleeping Beauty. Have you heard of Kumbhakaran? Yes, it is the character of Ramayana, the brother of Ravan. He is famous for sleeping for half a year. It means Kumbhakaran slept 6 months of a year. Half of year means 6 months. Most people sleep about 8 hours a day. Out of 24 hours, generally people sleep 8 hours. Then what part of a day is it? So it is very easy, means if people sleeping 8 hours out of 24. So 8 upon 24. 8 1 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. 1 upon 3. So it is how much? 1/3. So this is 1/3 part of a day. So what part of a year do they sleep? So here is the question, that what part of a year do they sleep? If a person is sleeping 8 hours of one day, so we have to find it that in a whole year. Whole year, how many days? 365 days. So how many hours it is? So you can solve this. First, you have to find the total hours of a year. Here, one day is equals to 24 hours. Okay. 1 year has 365 days. So 365 multiplied 24 is equals to 8760. So this is the total hours. Now you have to find the total sleeping hours. As you know all that a person sleeping 8 hours one day. So in whole year, so for that multiply 365 multiply 8 hours is equals to 2920. Now we have to divide this. 2920 divided by 8760. 0 cut it, and this is 1 upon 3. So it is just 1/3. So we found that in a year people sleep its 1/3 part. A person 60 years old must have slept dash years. So 1/3 of 60 years. Okay, let's see that the old person whose age is 60 years, he has slept how many years? We can see that 1/3 1 upon 3 multiply 60. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 0 is equals to 20. 20 years. A person 60 years old must have slept 20 years. Students, here we complete our chapter number 4, that is parts and wholes. Thank you.